discuss about types of numbers. So I hope everyone understanding. Today discuss about decimals. How to represented by decimals means a decimal represented by neither terminating decimals or non-terminating decimals. Second one is non-terminating decimals. Decimals represented by either terminating decimals or non-terminating decimals. What do you mean by terminating decimals? Means a decimal with only finite number of places. Example, so 1/2, the value is 0.5. Only finite number of places. It is called as terminating decimals. Second one is non-terminating decimals means a decimals with infinite number of places. It is called as non-terminating decimals. So example is the 1/6. The value is 0.161616 so on. Many. So terminating decimals nothing but a decimal with only finite number of places. It is called a terminating decimals. Example is 1/2 value 0.5. So only finite number of places. It is called a terminating decimals. Second one is non-terminating decimals. Non-terminating decimals nothing but a decimal with infinite number of decimals is called a non-terminating decimals. Everyone understood? It is clear? Now we are going to the problems. So what is the first question? Express 9/24 as a decimal. So 9/25 is a rational number. The rational number to convert to the decimals. How to rational number to convert means you have listen carefully. So solution. So we have. So what is the given rational number? 9/25. This one can be written as we are doing division method. So take two brackets here and here. The numerator value right here. Denominator right here. Here the smallest value not divisible by highest value. That's why take 0 and put the point after add the 0. Here whenever smallest number not divisible by the highest number, that time here put the 0 and put the point after that adding the 0. See now which number you should product with the 25 nearest point, the nearest number you should come. So 3 you can take. 25 into 3 how much? 75. 25 into 3 75. Now subtracting. 0 is not subtracting 5. That's why take here 10. 10 minus 5 5. Remaining here only 8 is there. 8 minus 7 1. So remainder 0 not getting. After that smallest value not divisible by highest value. So already you are taking point. That's why don't put 0 and you should add 0 here. Directly we can put 0 here. So which number is possible now? Which number multiplied to 25? Nearest number or equal number you should get. 6 is 25 into 6 150. So the remainder value is 0 0. So now answer is 9/25 is equal to, the answer is 0.36. So now rational number convert the decimal point. So how to convert the rational number to convert the decimals means, so numerator value right here, denominator value right here. So now smallest value not divisible by highest value. That's why I am putting 0 point after that we should add in the 0. So 25 with which number should multiply near to the value should come. So 25 into 3 75. 75 is the nearest to the 90. So 90 minus 75 is 15. So 15 is not divisible by 25. That's why directly we are adding 0. Why we are adding 0? Already we are putting point. That's why directly we can get 0. Next, which number you should multiply nearest point or equal number you should get? 25 into 6 150. The finally remainder is 0. So 9/25 value is 0.36. 37 divided by 99 as a decimal. Before how to doing question, same process. First what is the given, that we should write 37 divided by 99 implies take two brackets, the numerator value write in middle, denominator value write here. Observe the smallest number not divisible by largest number. That's why take here put the 0 and point. After that you should add the 0 here. The which number not divisible here number should come 3. So 99 into 3, 3 9 are 27, 2 is there, 3 9 are 27, 27 plus 2, 297. 3 9 are 27, remaining 2 is there, again 3 9 are 27, 27 plus 2, 29. So 0 is not subtracting from 7, that's why here take 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. Next here 6 is there, 6 is not subtracting from 9, that's why you can take here 10 plus 6, 16, 16 minus 9 is 7. The remaining only here 2 is there, 2 minus 2, 0. So now smallest value not divisible by highest value, that's why directly we can take 0. So which number multiplied with 99, near the number should come, 7 is a possibility, so you can write here 7, 7 9 are 63, 7 9 63, 63 plus 6 is 69. The 99 into 7 value is 693. Subtracting 0 is not subtracting 3, can take 10, 10 minus 3, 7, 12 minus 9, 3, 0. So again 37 is not divisible by 99, directly we can take 0. The 99 to multiply here element should come 3, again 3. So 99 3 is 297, subtract those values, 73 should come, again 0. So again 7, 693. So it should come 10 minus 3 equal to 7, 4 minus 9, 3. So finally the remainder is not getting the 0. The final answer is 37. So this is number, it is called a non-terminating decimals. Why you are assuming non-terminating decimals means this number is a repetition many times. So it is called a non-terminating decimals. Finally you can write the answer is 37 by 99 is equal to 0.37, 37, so on. This can be written as 0.37 repeated many times. That's why 37 that putting the bar. Why putting on the bar means these two numbers repetition many times. That's why repetition number should write. So which numbers, two numbers are repetition, the two numbers put on the bar. So everyone understanding? So what is the given? 37 by 99 as a decimals means the given number is rational number. The rational number convert as a decimals. So what is the given? You should write. After that take brackets. Numerator value should write here. Denominator write value here. So smallest value not divisible by the highest value. That's why we have put the 0 point after that we should add the 0. The 99 which number multiplied with 99 here to the element should come 3 is a possibility. That's why 99 into 3 value is 297. 370 minus 297 is 73. Again 73 is the smallest value. Smallest value is not divisible by the highest value. That's why we are adding the 0. So already you are putting the point. That's why don't mention the 0 here. Directly we can write the 0. So next again 99 which number should multiply with the nearest number should come. 99 into 7 value is 693. 730 minus 693 is 37. The smallest value not divisible by the 99. That's why again we should write the 0. Since here the elements are repetition many times. That's why stop the division here. So 99 by 37 by 99 values finally what is also we getting? 0.3737 many times. These two numbers repeated many times. That's why 37 can be written as 37 1. So everyone understood? The next question is express 0.356 as a whole fraction means the given number is decimal number. The decimal number to convert to the rational number. So what is the given? You should write now 0.356 is equal to 0.356. Already I said. So first you should take common is 1. Common is 1. How many numbers after point is there? 3 numbers after point is there. We can mention the 3 zeros. 1, 2, 0. So what is we are getting? 1000. So multiply and divide by 1000. So 0.356 into 1000 is 356 by 1000. So now divisible by 2 or 5. So first one is 2 5 are 10, remaining 2 zeros. 2 1 are 2, remaining 15 is there. 2 7 are 40, remaining 1 is 16. 2 8 are 16 again. 2 divisible 2, 2 50 are next one. 2 8 are 16, 2 9 are 18. The final answer is 89 by 250. Therefore 0.356 the value is 89 by 250. Again repetition. What is the given? 0.356 it is a decimal number. The decimal number to convert to the rational number. How to convert the rational number means what is the given? You should write 0.356. The compulsory one is the product. 0.356 into 1 is 0.356. That's why first you are mentioning 1. So after there are 3 numbers after point is there. How many numbers after point is there? You should write the many zeros. There are 3 numbers. 3 numbers after point is there. You should be taking the 3 zeros. So what is your final answer? Final value 1000 is getting. So multiply with 1000 divided by 1000. 1000 get cancel, same answer getting. But only here asking who will getting 1000 means first you can taking 1. How many numbers after point is there? You should write the many zeros. 3 numbers after point is there. We are taking 3 zeros. What is value we are getting? 1000. So multiply with 1000 divided with 1000. Now product the numerator value only. 0.356 into 1000 value is 356. Divided by denominator value is as it is you should write. So this number is used by 2. 2 5 are 10. So 2 zeros as it is. 350 divided by 2 means 178 you should get it. The final again you should do the division 2. So 250 the answer is 89. The final answer is 89 by 250. So and last question is express 4.0027 as a Euler fraction.
Underline.
This question also decimal point to convert to the rational number. This also you should write. How many zeros is there? How many numbers after point is there? 4 numbers after point will be there. So first take 1 after mention the 4 zeros. 4 zeros means 10,000. So multiply with 10,000 divided with the 10,000 you can take the answer will get it. So this one also homework question. Save one understanding. It is clear. Thank you for all.